Okay, so today we're going to be doing an air filter change out on a 2013 Genesis Coupe 2.0 Turbo. Very simple, should take you only 5 minutes. Open the door. Calm down. The video's on, buddy.
Wow. Good.
Here, take the filter out.
Okay.
Alright. So you just remove your clips on each side. 2, 3, 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Oh, there we go.
So to pull it out. I already removed mine because it was pretty bad. Put your new filter in.
Locked in. Pop, pop.
Make sure it's flat. Make sure everything in there is cleaned out before you install everything. As you can see, this is still clean. Alright, so you just reinstall everything. This little clip can give you a hard time. Just go ahead and pop your top off here. And then try and put the clip on. If you do it the other way, you could force this and break it. You don't want to do that.
Are you talking to tires?
Alright, so that's how you change your air filter on a 2013 Genesis Coupe. Everybody say bye.
Bye!